video, I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite snacks. It's a recipe for peanut butter energy bites. So the first step is preheating the oven. You want to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you want to grab a baking pan and grease it up. And then what we're going to do is mix 7 ingredients in the bowl. So up first we have a couple bananas. So peel these and just put those right in the bowl. And I'm hoping I chose a recipe that with ingredients that might already be in your kitchen. So got 2 bananas, and then you can take a fork and mash those up really well. So really ripe bananas work super well for this recipe. Alright, and then after the bananas, we are going to put 1 cup of rolled oats. So I have some plain rolled oats right here. These are just the quick oats. We'll add that to the bananas. So we have 2 bananas mashed together, 1 cup of dry oats, and then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of my favorite peanut butter. And if you cannot have peanut butter, no worries. Almond butter works great, sun butter works awesome, or any other kind of like nut butter alternative will work awesome for this recipe. So 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and then I have a 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. This is unsweetened shredded coconut. That'll add a nice flavor to it. And I love a lot of chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate chips right here. It's about a 1/4 cup. Dump that in there. It's smelling super good. Then I have a dash of salt. This is about 1/8 of a teaspoon. You can just kind of wing it too. So we'll mix all of these ingredients together. So the oats, peanut butter, shredded coconut, what else? Salt, chocolate chips. It'll turn into delicious batter. Alright, so the batter is mixed together super well now. And then what you're going to do is use some clean hands and take some of the batter and roll it into about 1-inch ball. And then you can place that on the baking sheet. And I'm going to roll about maybe like 8 to 12 of these. And then we're going to put them in the oven. That amount of batter made 12 of the peanut butter energy bites, and now I'm going to put these in the oven for 15 minutes. Alright, they're fresh out of the oven after baking for 15 minutes. I let them cool down, put them on this plate, and now I'm going to drizzle them with some honey. Oh, they look so good. Alright, there they are, some peanut butter energy bites. I hope all of you like this snack, and I hope you have some fun in your kitchen while you're making it. I'm wishing all of you the best, and take care. Bye!